Morning! It's day 16 of the renovations at my old farmhouse in New Zealand. I hope you guys are doing good. Just waiting for the traffic to go by. Rush hour outside my house. So I've had my cup of tea, so maybe I might be able to speak properly, but who knows. It's Friday today. Not sure what's happening today. Still got quite a lot of gardening to do. Inside the house, still got painting to do. I'm not sure when we'll finish. And then you find one thing to do and then it kind of gives you sub things to do from that one thing. Look at these cows, aren't they just the cutest? The neighbours' cows are just so cute. Look at that white one looking at us. So I went to the hardware store yesterday and picked these up. Just 3 terracotta pots and some lavender. I know nothing about plants. I just thought it looked quite pretty. And I'm just going to put them there. Like the whole step thing needs painting as well. It's just like when you're doing a renovation and the small things, like you could just go on and on forever. Anyway. I picked up these baskets. They were like a bit pricey, $40 each. I never thought I'd buy decor from the hardware shop, whatever we call it. But I really liked them. I thought I'm going to put some toilet paper in each bathroom in them. They're kind of not really my style, but I really just saw them and there was only 2 left. So I thought, well, I'll pick them up. So ultimately I went to the garden centre thinking about the gardens. And I just know nothing about gardens and felt quite overwhelmed. And the lady was quite busy, so she wasn't really into having a long conversation, which is fair enough. I have these 2 little bits of lavender in pots, I had to think. It's just like the normal colour. This one's a white lavender, which is really beautiful. I am going to give this one to my friend, but here's another little one. So I'm going to put the 2 little ones in the garden where the lavender was, which got pulled out. And a lot of it wasn't in very good condition, but that wasn't down to where it was. It actually liked being where it was. It was down to me just not gardening and being a gardener. Guys, I've never been a gardener. And but yeah, I just thought it'd be quite nice to put these back where the other lavender was. The builders haven't turned up today, but I thought I'd just carry on with my day. So, the light shades have arrived. I'm keen to put them up and see what they look like, but the ceiling is going to be painted, so I've just put those baskets there for now till I sort stuff out, but they're definitely going in the bathrooms. So yeah, I might just put one up and see what it looks like. Oh, I thought they were going to be black. Oh, did I muck up? Close enough to black. For a minute I was doubting the colour. Oh, they're cool. They're just like really plain. And, you know, I thought, well, the urn things are going to be there, not in the baskets. The pictures have got black in them and the clock's got black in them. My kettle's black, toaster's black. You get the gist. I'll just put one up and see what it looks like. Okay, I can't get it on properly because I need another adapter thing, and I can get my electrician just to give me those. And you're thinking, oh Terry, that's quite small. Because I was thinking that for a minute too. But yeah, and we did talk about this light, about moving it, and it would have just been a total headache for the electrician to get up there and there. The roof's really weird, and I just didn't really want to spend a whole lot of time trying to sort that out where I can live with it just looking a little bit funny. I can live with that. So with the 3 there and then 1 over there. Oh, 1 over there. So I wouldn't have been able to have the shade any bigger because it would have looked weird with the beam. But I could have gone with a bigger shade there and there. But to be honest, I don't even know if they had them in the bigger size. But yeah, we'll come back to that once the ceiling's been painted and they're up, and I'll show you then, of course. I was going to plant the lavender here. I've got my spade, but I might plant it somewhere else. Boss is barking, by the way, if you can hear him. It's his favourite day. It's lawn mowing day. He gets to chase the mower. Thought I might plant the lavender here. I feel like this one's the wrong way round. It's bothering me. That's better. I had to change it. Oh, the hose doesn't reach. Oh, hang on, plants, I'll get something else. Okay, we carried the table over here. Well, actually, my son and husband did, because I was moaning it was too heavy. I love this table. It doesn't look much at the moment, but it used to look really nice. The sun's just faded it over the years. I really like the wood. I just need to stain it again at some stage. But I'm just going to give it a quick clean where I did the pots. Maybe it wasn't such a bad thing that the builders didn't turn up today, because I got lots of stuff that I wanted to do done, and when they're here I kind of want to keep out of their way. So yeah, I've still got so much more things, many things to do, so much more, so much many. Oh, I give up trying to speak properly. But there's so much to do around here, guys. I will be finding things to do for a long time. So that's it for today's video. As usual, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you, and I'll see you soon. Bye.